If you're looking for a doubly good way to top off your holiday feast, check this out. Howard shows us how to make a chocolate pecan fudgy pie in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
With Thanksgiving right around the corner, many of us are starting to put the finishing touches on our menu. Of course, we know we're going to have the basics, and most likely, Aunt Sarah will bring her almost famous green bean casserole. That leaves one big decision. What are you going to serve for dessert? How about one that combines the best of a pecan pie with a rich as can be chocolate pie? If that sounds good, check this out. In a saucepan, we melt some unsweetened chocolate with a can of sweetened condensed milk. Once that's smooth, we stir in a mixture we made by combining some water with a touch of cornstarch, along with a couple of eggs, butter, and a bit of salt. After this comes together, we stir in lots of pecan halves and pour this into a chocolate graham cracker pie crust. We'll pop this into the oven until the center is set. Then all that's left to do is wait for it to cool. Let me tell you, that part won't be easy. And whether you plan on serving this just because or after your holiday feast, you can't go wrong. Just don't forget to dollop it with some whipped cream. To get the recipe for our chocolate pecan fudgy pie, all you have to do is head over to our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen with Kelly, who loves anything chocolate. And today we found a doubly good way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website, KOAMnewsnow.com.